Hello everyone, Shane913 back at it again with another video. And today, we will be taking out cars. Today. So, just taking out cars. Are you kidding me? We are going to be doing the fidget spinner test. Okay, here we go. First test. With the bearings. Like that. Like that. Like that. And it works. It's not bad. It looks 3D, but just you can't see it because you're on the camera. There will be one subscriber. I will ask you a question. I have. Let me think. The question will be: there is a stuffed animal over there. What color is it? Or what kind of animal is it? I was covering the stuffed animal right there. Just to give you a hint, it's on the couch. Yeah, what is the point of showing you if I was covering the stuffed animal? It doesn't matter. Okay. Right now, I'm going to look the animal do you think it is? And the winner gets. Let me think. I'm just going to look around the room and see what the winner will get. The winner will get for school a sharpener and a rubber yellow hippopotamus. How does that sound? And we'll show it to you right now. Make sure you comment down below what kind of animal do you think it is. Right there. Alright. Test number 2. No bearing spin. No bearing spin. Let's see it. A bearing just fell. Alright, now here are the bearings. No bearings. And now here we go. Spins great. Now let's do a 1 bearing, and then 2 bearing, and then 3 bearing. 1 bearing. Bumpy. Just dropped it, we're just like. Wow. Wow. It's gone. Okay. Now 2 bearings. Here we go. It's a 2 bearing spin. Bumpy, the same as the first one. Now, the 3 bearing spin. Regular spin. It works good, just like 0 bearing spin. Okay, next test. Spinning it on my nose. That did not work. Yeah, that is a fail. We'll have to come back to that, but now, chin. Oh, wait, past the chin. Now we have to pass the nose. I passed it. Stop. I just dropped the camera. I'm so sorry. Alright. So, now, we will do the door. Just make sure. Guess what kind of animals. I'll give you a hint. Is it a bear? Or is it a dog? Comment down below. What do you think it is? Bear or a dog? Alright everyone, this had to be a short vlog today. It was 5 minutes. And I just want to give a shout out quickly to Super Mario Logan for coming up with the questions for the questions to comment down below. So everyone, thanks for watching.